cloud provider gets hacked, I think it's key to understand how does that impact your organization. What data is exposed? What data do you lose? So one, you understand how do we have to respond, but then two, we understand, does that cause us to lose income? What's our loss if they lose? As more and more are going to the cloud provider and realize that they're really reliant upon that data being stored in the cloud provider and can no longer operate if that goes down, carriers have adapted their business interruption or business income coverage to include dependent business income coverage under their policy. So this is a new coverage, probably readily available within the last year, and various carriers will handle it differently. So there's some that provide it on a blanket basis. They don't ask who your vendor is. It's any vendor wording. There's some that only provide it on an IT vendor basis, and there's some that specifically require you to schedule it. This coverage can be sublimited to $100,000, which at the end of the day, not really beneficial to some, but some will provide it. So you have a $5 million policy, they'll provide full limits. So that it gets back to the comment I was making earlier where there's no consistency across the carriers, and it really depends on you and your broker working together to understand what your exposures are and build a customized product that fits and solves those issues that you could potentially have.